So one of the initial points in terms of research were people who had some kind of either accident or some mental health issue. So example, the first time we know कि brain में कुछ होने से हमारे thought process पे interact होता है, there was a person known as Phineas Case, जिसके एक rod था, iron rod था, and this is graphic, which went from I guess bottom of the cheek and came out of the
Top of
frontal
his,
lobe.
yeah,
This is
okay.
known as the frontal lobe. So, and it was removed. He survived, but his behavior changed.
Okay.
So that provided a trigger to people कि भाई दिमाग जो है वो हमारे behavior के लिए responsible है, और ये जो frontal वाला area है, it is responsible for moral decision making, social inhibition of behavior. क्योंकि accident के बाद बंदा started to behave in a very amoral fashion, his inhibitory behavior decreased, so वो कहीं पे भी इन society में है, कहाँ है, he had trust issues. So it suggested that हमारे behavior is linked to certain parts of the brain, and that's a hypothesis that people believe even now to some extent.
Fair enough. Fair enough. So that I think if you include all these things, तो फिर experiment करना तो काफी I think मुश्किल हो जाएगा अगर आप सब factors को include कर रखें. You might have to take away some aspects and neglect some factors while conducting the experiments.
So experiment is all about trying to control the situation. So हम लोग कभी-कभी इतना कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि आपका रियल लाइफ में एप्लीकेबिलिटी भी चली जाती है. हम लोग कहेंगे लाइट बंद करो. So if you come to my research lab, it's nothing. It's a PC in a dark room, and I'll ask you to do an experiment. कोई आवाज नहीं होगा, कोई लाइट नहीं होगा, and then I try to see your behavior in a controlled setting. So unfortunately everything cannot be controlled. तो हम लोग उसी चीज को अलग अलग बार स्टडी करके then we try to prove our theory or support our theory.
But it's a very tricky experiment, I suppose, considering the personality and individuality of every human that varies, right? So अगर आप एक सेट ऑफ आंसर्स की तलाश कर रहे हैं, तो अगर आप फिर भी ग्रुप में स्टडी करने की कोशिश करेंगे, विद द that micro level of we spoke of the other day, the experiment of a very micro level implications that you're doing.
Expression, facial
right.
expression.
Right. So मतलब that बहुत सारे factors आते हैं, and there could be a lot of things that may or may not be, depending on the mood of the person at that point of time, depending on the usual back end behavior that he has. बहुत सारी situations होती हैं, people lie all the time in experiments. That could happen a lot of times.
बहुत problem होता है. Right? Like my favorite example is because I have a science students who have studied chemistry, physics, maths, and then entered through JEE. So my favorite example to give them is कि आप पानी के जितने मॉलिक्यूल लेते हैं सारे एक जैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं, बट बंदा हर एक डिफरेंट रिएक्ट करता है. And instead of taking it as a constraint, what we do is we try to find out why exactly do people behave differently. क्या लोगों का अटेंशन स्पैन अलग अलग होता है, इस वजह से वो अलग बिहेव कर रहे हैं? क्या लोगों का वर्किंग मेमोरी कैपेसिटी अलग अलग है, इस वजह से बिहेव अलग अलग कर रहे हैं? सो वी एक्चुअली ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाई दोज इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंसेस आर देयर. एंड मोस्टली इन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स में क्या होता है, द इफेक्ट दैट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट कि सेंस ऑफ एजेंसी कंट्रोल के साथ में चेंज नहीं हो रहा था जब गोल कंप्लीट कर रहे थे. इट इज नॉट ट्रू दैट यू विल फाइंड इट फॉर एवरीथिंग, जस्ट दैट वी फाइंड इट फॉर अ मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पीपल. इसी वजह से केमिस्ट्री में इट इज सफिशिएंट टू डू एन एक्सपेरिमेंट वंस एंड यू हैव प्रूवन इट, राइट, कि ये केमिकल रिएक्शन है. दैट इज हाउ वी आल्सो लर्न थिंग्स व्हेन वी वर यंग, ऑल्दो देयर इज आल्सो अदर इश्यूज लाइक डस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग कमिंग ऑन. बट हम लोग क्या 50 लोगों पे 100 ट्रायल करते हैं, उसके बाद इवन देन वी आर नॉट श्योर कि हमें एक जेनरिक इफेक्ट मिल रहा है कि नहीं. तो जनरल आइडिया इज रिपीटिशन एंड रेप्लिकेशन.
दैट इज द बेस्ट. Right. So please elaborate your theory ahead. मतलब you try to you have done some social experiments जिसमें आप you since the agency and involvement, we had the discussion about automation, car automation, how किस तरह से कोई involve feel करता है एक particular situation में with the optimal level of control, and that's how. So how did you what other aspects did you try to study in this experiment?
So I guess so this was one of the studies that I was referring to. In the other studies, what we try to do is being a gamer, I was really interested in कि जब आपको सेंस ऑफ सेल्फ को आपकी बॉडी से अलग कर दिया जाता है.
We
When
couldn't
there's
really.
no body.
I'm sorry, we couldn't really complete the whole experiment about the test pilot thing you mentioned, and we were conducting those experiments.
Test pilot.
Right, and then
Okay.
वहाँ पे control दे रहे थे, and you know, you were
So
addressing किस तरह से behave करता है. Right? So let us continue.
So basically, जैसे initial studies that we talked about was कि हमारा sense of agency was different in situation जब आपका control change कर रहे हैं, and it depended on things in a hierarchical manner. Now the second study is not really by me, but it is so generally there are communities that do studies on similar topics.
What kind of hierarchical manner are we talking about here?
So in this case, the idea is, so again, I'll throw another terminology for this. So there is something that is known as proximal versus distal actions.
Okay.
So for example, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे बॉल फेंका, राइट, तो बॉल तो गया. अब एक इसका प्रॉक्सिमल इफेक्ट ये होगा कि ये बॉल को मेरे हाथ से जाना चाहिए, राइट. इसका इफेक्ट ये भी होगा कि मैं किसी को बॉल से मारने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, उसके सर पे लगना चाहिए, राइट. So similarly, you can talk about effects, actions that have effect related to them at proximal level, past में, effect that are related to this at distal level, दूर. And this can be both in terms of space and time. For example, we were planning this interview for such a long time, right? In order to plan this interview, there are certain constraints that are there. Like you and I need to talk. You cannot really talk to anyone else to plan this interview. No. So similarly, both of us talking are constrained in terms of the fact that we are living in two places. There are only certain mediums that we can connect to. So by hierarchy, what I mean is कि जो सबसे बड़ा आपका गोल होता है distal level का, it will constrain कि आप छोटे level पे क्या कर सकते हो, right? Okay. You cannot really do everything. So the idea is कि आप ऐसे constrain करते करते finally एक level पे ऐसा आ जाओगे कि आप mouse का button click कर रहे हो. So the fact there is that you started with the idea that I want to conduct this interview, and you ended up with clicking a mouse button, and everything is linked to each other. So you
when
can
I press
see that
the record button, when I press that button, that was the action, right?
That was the action. That was the action, right? Maybe even a smaller thing. You can talk about the muscular activity. कि एक muscle में कुछ activation हुआ. That was because of you had a thought few months back कि हम ये topic पे बात करते हैं. So now you can see कि our macro level things that exist across time can influence what you are doing at this particular instance, and simultaneously try to influence multiple things. So this is the hierarchy that I was talking about कि आप ज़्यादा बड़े level पे चीजें जो होती हैं, they decide things on the छोटा वाला level. And once you are really very good at छोटा वाला level, then you don't worry about this. You just worry about the बड़ा वाला level. Right. Which is the car example and the gym example that we were talking about.
And then one of the example that I can say is playing an instrument is one of the very common examples that we can look at it. Yeah, जब आप automate हो जाता है, you know, when you start playing an instrument and you learn, initially जब सीखते हो तो आप गानों से सीखते हो, जब आप expert हो जाते हो तो आप गाने बनाने शुरू कर देते हो उससे. So that's a different ball game over there.
So even अगर आप किसी से पूछेंगे कि जैसे लेटेस्ट से पियानो सीख रहे हैं या वायलिन सीख रहे हैं, तो people will initially be very focused on कि मैं सही की दबा रहा हूँ कि नहीं. But आप किसी भी proficient player से जब पूछोगे, तो he or she will say कि I'm just seeing कि tone सही आ रही है कि नहीं. So the level at which they are trying to control things has changed as they have become proficient. That is pretty much what I wanted to show in an empirical or an experimental fashion.
This is